Hi, my name is Jason Myers. I'm with Icetro America, and today we're going to go over how to install an Undercounter ice machine. I hope you find it helpful.
Start by removing the crating from the machine. Next, open the machine bin door and find the legs. Secure the legs to the bottom of the machine. Next, make your water and drain connections. The water connection is a 3/8 female inlet, and the drain connection is a 3/4 inch female inlet. And so we use, in this case, we're going to use a John Guest fitting, which allows for easy install. You're going to apply some Teflon tape to the threads, screw on your fitting, and in this case, again, some more Teflon tape onto the 3/4 inch fitting for the drain. This is just done to prevent leaks. And typically you want to do about 4 to 6 wraps of Teflon tape. Tighten both fittings down with a wrench. Make sure it's nice and snug. Make your water connection. In this case, because we're using John Guest, the tubing just pushes right in and locks into place. Make your PVC drain connection. Ordinarily we would be putting glue on here, but for demonstration purposes I'm not going to do that. So you make your drain connection here. And that's it for the backside. Next, we're going to adjust the ice thickness bridge, which is something you want to do on install of any Undercounter machine. The easiest way to do that is to take the top off the machine. You can do it by opening the front cover and accessing the ice thickness probe at that point, but it's a little difficult with that front cover lifted up and back into the machine to access that. So I say, as long as you got the machine out and you haven't installed it under the counter yet, you just got to remove those 2 thumb screws, pull back on this lid, and it comes right off. And that gets you access, easier access in my opinion, to this probe right here. This is our ice thickness probe. This is what tells the machine to harvest the ice off the plate when it's ready. So we're looking for a 1/8 bridge here, and we don't want the probe to be touching the plate. We don't want it to be too far away from the plate. Now you can use this screw here to adjust that bridge thickness. Turning that screw clockwise is going to push it further away, and turning it counterclockwise is going to bring it closer to the plate. And so what I tell people is you can get a number 2 pencil or a 1/4 inch drill bit in between this blade and this plate without the probe moving, That's a good starting point, and then you can usually back it off from there if you need to. So this is something you want to do before you run the machine to ensure that you're going to have proper ice. You're not going to have hollow cubes. You're not going to have ice so thin that it just melts off the plate instead of falling off the plate, that sort of thing. And with that, you're ready to complete your install by moving the machine under the counter, making any last minute adjustments to your drain line, turning on your water, plugging the machine in, and making ice. Thank you for watching. My name is Jason Myers, National Service Manager for Icetro America. And if you have any further questions, feel free to look at our website at www.icetroamerica.com.